So here is how you can search for black and white photos on the Google Photos app. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course we open up the Google Photos app and we need to perform the search. So we're going to head directly to the search button in the bottom right corner like this. And I can tap on the thing and just type in one word, which is called monochrome. Right, so this is what it would look like. This is what you can type in, and based on this, it should look up the black and white images. Inside of this account, as you can see, I do not really have it available simply because I lack plenty of photos. But if I just give you another, or if I show you another phone right here where I have a bunch of these images in here, you can see that there are plenty of them which are in the black and white if I look for the monochrome, right? So as you can see, it only tries to look for images which are kind of like black and white. So as well at the top, I search for the monochrome. So that is the thing which you can look for. There is also the ability to kind of like look the black and white, or you can type in grayscale or type in gray, which would also give you some of the like washed out images. So you can also try to look at it by color, but the monochrome usually gives me the best result for looking the black and white images. So let me know if you also were able to find it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you later in the future uploads, only if you subscribe. So do that, and I'll talk to you then.